You've got the freedom to work anywhere, anytime. But what happens when you can't manage your money? Imagine losing control of your finances in the middle of your dream travels. For freelancers and digital nomads, financial literacy is essential. It's the key to sustaining the lifestyle you love. Financial literacy empowers freelancers to navigate income fluctuations. Understanding cash flow helps manage feast or famine cycles effectively. Budgeting skills ensure nomads can sustain their lifestyle long-term. Tax knowledge prevents costly mistakes across different jurisdictions. Savvy investing grows wealth, providing security for the unpredictable. Currency management skills are vital when working across borders. Financial literacy aids in pricing services competitively and profitably. Understanding financial statements helps track business health accurately. Debt management knowledge prevents overspending during lean times. Insurance literacy protects against unforeseen events while traveling. Retirement planning ensures a stable future beyond the nomadic life. Financial literacy helps in negotiating contracts and payment terms. Understanding exchange rates maximizes earnings in global markets. Proper record-keeping simplifies tax filing and financial decision-making. Knowledge of financial tools streamlines invoicing and payment collection. Understanding credit builds a safety net for emergencies abroad. Financial literacy aids in setting and achieving long-term career goals. Knowing how to read financial news informs better business decisions. Understanding market trends helps in adapting services profitably. Financial savvy enables smart choices between saving and reinvesting. Literacy in financial technology enhances efficiency and money management. Understanding banking systems eases setting up accounts internationally. Knowledge of financial regulations ensures compliance across borders. Financial literacy helps in diversifying income streams effectively. Understanding risk management protects against market volatility. Knowing how to budget for travel prevents overspending on experiences. Financial acumen aids in balancing work projects with personal time. Literacy in financial planning helps in setting realistic income goals. Understanding financial metrics aids in measuring business growth. Knowledge of financial products helps in choosing the right tools. Financial literacy enables smarter decisions about health insurance abroad. Understanding opportunity costs aids in prioritizing business investments. Financial savvy helps in negotiating better rates for long-term stays. Literacy in personal finance improves overall quality of life. Understanding financial cycles helps in planning for slow seasons. Knowledge of tax deductions maximizes take-home income for nomads. Financial literacy aids in setting competitive yet profitable rates. Understanding financial forecasting helps in planning future moves. Knowing how to read financial reports improves business strategy. Financial acumen turns the nomadic lifestyle into a sustainable career. Financial literacy is the key to thriving as a digital nomad. Start your journey to financial freedom with the right knowledge. Subscribe for more tips on mastering finances as a freelancer. Like this video if you found these insights valuable.